Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So come along with me in this journey of wealth. Today, I want to teach you how to take back a bit of control of your finances through a TFSA, which stands for a tax-free savings account, also known as, in the United States, a Roth IRA. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. Both types of accounts are similar in nature with a few different rules when it comes to contribution and withdrawals. The tax-free savings account is so important in the ASH method, where S is for save. It is one of the best ways to save your money so that the government doesn't take back 20% of your hard-earned money back. This way, you can buy that house you've always wanted, travel the world in whatever style you want, be financially independent, and never have to work a day again. I understand that you need to work hard. It takes a long time to get there, but so does all good things. Speaking of working hard, do you hear that? I think it's the dislike trolls coming to get us. Help me fight back by smashing that like button to fight off those dislike trolls. Whew, phew. Thanks for helping me out. So, what I want to do is show you a way to get there faster. A tax-free savings account will shelter you from paying taxes on any interest you earn. If your tax bracket is 22%, why put that in the IRS's pocket? Put that money in your pocket. Start good habits as soon as possible, because once you reach that 37% bracket, it will be even more, you'll be giving back even more money to the IRS. Let me give you an example. If you were to put away $500 every month for the next 47 years, and let's say you contribute that amount to the S&P 500 index, that gives you a return of 7%. In 47 years, your net worth would be $2.2 million with $1.9 million in interest. If you're paying 22% of taxes, you're giving back to the IRS $423,000. Are you sure you want to do that? So please, start a tax-free savings account as soon as possible. If you're still choosing what bank to use or what account you want to go with, let me pick the tax-free savings account with TD for you. They have done me no wrong, and they have really good customer service. For TFSA, you need to be 18 years of age to start, and your contribution limit will be based on when you turn 18. But start as soon as possible, and this is why. If you start putting away money 1 year later, the amount of interest that you could have earned when you retire would be $200,000 less. You might as well give that to the government. I started mine as soon as the tax-free savings account started. I highly recommend it. You know what? Take a few seconds right now and follow along while I open a tax-free savings account with TD right now. Take 5 minutes out of your day to do something as simple as opening a TFSA. You'll feel so much better. Turn off that TV. Stop watching the news. Put down that controller for 5 minutes. I understand Madden NFL is important, but this is way more important. Alright, let's get a tax-free savings account started. So what we would Google up is TD, maybe tax-free savings account, and then the first link is apply for a tax-free savings account with TD. Click on that, and then it will take you to this page where you can just hit apply now. Very simple. And if you're, it's better if we pick a bank that you already work with. So for me, TD is a bank that I already work with, and you can just log in. And then you have to meet the eligibility rules to open one. Some important information. let's get started. Are you Canadian? Yes. My birthday. Okay. Some important information. Fill in all your address stuff. Make sure that your address is full time. And then I guess you just have to fill in some more information. Occupation. Electronics. Move to the next page. Personalized products. Select a branch. Let's just go with that one. Do you want to make a card? No. Continue. And then this is the summary page. Click here to agree. And then once you submit, your account is created. It's that simple. It only took me 2 minutes to do. And then you have a tax-free savings account. But have you opened one yet? If yes, great! Now put $500 into it using a pre-authorized transfer to allow TD to transfer 1/12 of the maximum contribution limit to your TFSA every month. In 2020, the maximum contribution limit is $6,000, so you'll be able to transfer $500 a month. It's that simple. Anyone can do it, even an 18-year-old. In one of my videos, I talk about the miracle of compound interest and how that works. I highly suggest you take a look to maximize your earnings. This calculator from Get Smart About Money will let you play with how much money you need and what interest you want. I'll leave a link in the description down below. This calculator will help you calculate whatever you need to achieve that dream goal. Look, I'm just an everyday dad working hard as an engineer. I use these calculators often to help me plan where I need to be to stay out of debt. Then I use any money I've saved to strategically invest it back into real estate or the stock market. It's definitely a fun and interesting ride, and the most important thing is anyone can do it, even an 18-year-old. With a TFSA, there is just so many benefits to having one, and it's free to open, so why wouldn't you? One of the reasons why I can run a side company like Ash Management, who watches over $3 million in properties, travel the world with his wife every year, and live in a 2,000 square feet house, is because I opened a tax-free savings account. And I opened a tax-free savings account and contributed money to it, and never spent any of it. Hard work, being consistent, and slowly reaping the benefits is the only way to go. Until I finally became a millionaire, well, that is 80% plus of the way there. Thanks for watching. If you haven't opened that TFSA or Roth IRA yet, make sure you tell me why in the comments section down below. Also, you can join me at the Daddy Debt Facebook group to talk about your finance questions. Ask the Daddy Debt community your questions by commenting below. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment for what you want to hear, smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Sundays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Debt, saving you money.